Another beautiful sunny day here in Michigan. It's February. I'm back at the lake behind the Henry Ford home. As you can see by this video, a few days ago, this entire lake was frozen and snow covered. The geese were very happy about the lake being thawed. We were sitting at a bench, and right away, the mallard duck started swimming toward us.
I saw this today. I started cracking up.
The ducks seemed so happy with this warm weather in the middle of February. Right there is the female duck. You can barely see her. And her mate is guarding her while she's feeding. And there they go to find another area to feed. We were sitting on the same bench a few days ago, and this is what the lake looked like.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.